Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, please like, share and subscribe. If you're returning and subscribe, you're most definitely welcome. So South Africans have shifted their focus from Chidimma to Miss Kwara in Miss Universe Nigeria 2024. Before all this, Miss Kwara was being body shamed and people have been saying a lot about her. I like her confidence. She's breaking all the stereotypes. People never thought plus sizes can compete at Miss Universe, but here she is. As it stands, Miss Kwara or Ufa Diana has 4,973 votes and Chidimma has 14,311, and people are voting multiple votes. I saw people sharing their screenshots. Some are even voting for the 10th time. I don't know what you guys think about this, but it's going crazy. And voting will be closing on Saturday. Hopefully, Chidimma, after all the effort that she has put, she will get something out of it, because she cannot fly all the way to Nigeria for nothing. Let me know in the comment section who you are voting for. And those who haven't subscribed, please make sure that you're subscribed. A lot of people are watching without subscribing. Please do subscribe and see you in my next video.